Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Clinical Case Screen Sidebar. For the purpose of this video, we will start on the clinical case screen. The data, patient, and basic medical aid information will be displayed at the top of the sidebar, ensuring that this information is always clearly visible when filling in the patient's clinical forms. Now we will go over the various available buttons. In order to add an automated disease management protocol to the patient, click on the DARMA button. For an in-depth explanation on how to add a DARMA protocol to a patient, please refer to the Add DARMA Protocol to a Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Patient Dashboard button if you would like to quickly and easily access a screen that displays the patient's records. For more information regarding the Patient Dashboard, please refer to the Patient Dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. To view the patient's clinical history in a more user-friendly and chronological order, click on the Story Mode button. For an in-depth explanation regarding the Clinical History Screen Story Mode, please refer to the Clinical Screen Sidebar Story Mode user manual linked in this video's description. To view your Discovery Health patient's electronic health records on Health ID and access additional Health ID tools, click on the Discovery Health ID Clinical Screen Sidebar user manual linked in this video's description. For more information regarding the Discovery Health ID, please refer to the Discovery Health ID Clinical Screen Sidebar user manual linked in this video's description. Easy Events are previously set up, quick access buttons to the forms you use the most. For more information on how to set up Easy Events, please refer to the Easy Events user manual linked in this video's description. The Forms Library is where you can access all of the necessary clinical forms you use in your practice. Click on the Forms Library drop-down menu and select the desired form you wish to use. Any open forms will be displayed under the Active Forms section in the Clinical Case sidebar. Click on the Email All button to attach all of the active forms to an email workflow event template. If you would like to make a duplicate of the form, click on the Copy button. Click on the Trash Can button to delete any active forms entirely. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving any changes made. Click on the Save and Close button to save any changes made and return to the case management screen. Alternatively, click on the up arrow and click the Save button to save the form and remain on the clinical case screen. You can also click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Building Combinations user manual linked in this video's description.